like your name. Bella means beautiful. How old are you, Bella?
I'm 6 years old.
6. How are you today?
I'm happy.
Yes, very good. Now say, how are you? You have to say, I'm happy. How old are you? How old are you?
I'm 6 years old.
Very good. Okay, sit nicely, Bella. What color do you like? I like. What color? I like color. What color do you like?
I like red.
Red. What food do you like?
I like rice.
Rice. I like rice too. What fruit? Oh, animal. What animal do you like? Animal. Woof. What animal is it? Woof, woof. What animal is that? Meow. What animal is it? Cat. Woof. Woof. No, it's not a cat. Oh, dog. What animal is it? Bird. What animal is that? Snake. Roar. What animal is that? Ooh, ah. What animal is it? Monkey. You did well. You're good at the sound of the animals. Very good. Now let's start. Ready? Yes. It's now working. Let's start. Go. Letter M. Next. Oh, good. Okay, good job. Next, we can say the word it has m sound. M sound. What is it? Mountain. Good, correct. Orange, correct. Next. Popcorn. Very good, Bella. Robot. Good job. Now let's move on to the last. Bella, look. What animal that has m sound? Animal. Good job. Ooh. What? Fruits. 2 fruits. Okay, fruits that has sound. Fruits. Pine. Peach. Good job. What animal that has sound? Ostrich. Good job. What about this? Do you know who is she? Who is she? She is a... Oh, no! She is a... She is a queen. Say it again. She is a queen. Good. What animal is it? Panda. Very good. Do you like pandas? Yes, you do. What about this one? Robot. Do you like robots? Yes, but that's for boys. Okay, here, I can see something here. What animal is it? Cow. What's the beginning letter? What's the beginning letter? Cow. Letter. What letter is this? Letter? C. Yes, sounds. What's the sound? C sounds. Good job. Okay, and last one. What's this?
Rose.
Can you say rose? What's the beginning letter? What's the beginning letter? Rose. Letter? No. Letter Rose. What's the letter? Letter.
R.
Yeah. Sounds. Letter R sounds.